Alright guys, what's up? Hope you guys are having an amazing time. Welcome back to the channel. So guys, let me ask you a question today. How often do you meet a celebrity or say a YouTube artist just like that randomly while coming back to home? Well, frankly speaking, this never happened to me before, but today is the day, D-Day. Well, this happened to me just moments ago. I came home, asked my wife to get ready for a quick evening walk down the marina, and on the way back home we met randomly out of just nowhere, this guy. We have been following him from last year. Is Brett.
What's up, guys? This is so random to meet you here in Dubai.
This is really random,
but you have an incredible city, and I can't wait to explore more. But he's been giving us some great recommendations.
This is Brett Conti. You can follow him. Amazing guy, amazing creator.
Thank you so much.
And this is the man behind the camera.
This is Chris.
This is Chris. So anyways, welcome back to Dubai.
Thank you. This is my first time, so all the recommendations from you.
You have been here almost 4 times.
This is my 4th time.
Fourth time.
I've been here.
Yeah.
So 2 of you, give me all the recommendations.
Definitely.
You guys need to check out Travel C Vlogs. I know I'm going to be watching every single vid.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Brett. Have a great time.
Awesome.
See you,
Thank you
man.
so much.
See you.
Nice to meet you.
Alright guys, see you another day.
Alright.
So this is Brett.
Okay.
It's amazing. It's really surprising to see.
Amazing.
That's all for today guys. See you in the next video. I just wanted to share my happiness. Super excited I am. And Brett, this is for you, man. We just love you. Thanks for coming. It was a pleasure meeting you and Chris. And just lots of love. Thank you so much.